You know, I'm in the shower and had a thought. How it's done, how it's made. So I don't have to figure out about how God created anything. All I need to know are the stories. Because within the stories is how it's made. For instance, the speed of light, the size of the sun. These things coincide with words. That's right. Like apparently, a year for Venus is 243 years. But the word Venus equals to 81, which is a standard cycle of 3 times 81 to create 243. That means in the 3 houses, we have to have, okay, 3 plus 81 equaling to what is creation, okay, in Pluto. Now, what numbers did I use? I used 81 for 200, yes, I used 81 times 3, and then 84 plus 243 would equal to 80 plus 243 is 323, 327. 3 times 27 is 81, and the equation begins all over, except this time, what we're going to do is, now that we have 3 times 27 is 81, okay, 3 plus 27 is 30, and 81 equals to 111. What is the number for the cube center core? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. 21 and 16, 20 and 17, 19 and 18, 37, 37, 37. The total of those 37s equals to 111, and that is the heart of the cube. I have it now. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to waste any of your time. Everything is a word, and with words there are numbers. And then we can alter certain things about the alphabet. Like, how about mixing up 2 alphabets? We're going to mix up gematria, the letter M, with the regular alphabet. That will now create 13 and 1 and 14 and 1. So they'll now be shifting over by adding the alphabet. Why did we need to add the alphabet from numbers in gematria? Why only 7 of 9? Because it is within the 8 heaven that the 9 is born. So from within the spirit, which cometh from the 1, into the beehive heaven, which cometh from the 2, which is the 8. And that's why we don't count the 8, because 2 parts of the 8 is part of Venus, a part of who you are in the heaven as 6 man. Why 6 man? Because it's 6 times 13 equals to 78. Why 13? Because the word man is 13. It equals to a value, letter count of 28, but you can't be a man unless you have a bar mitzvah at the age of 13. So now we got to start thinking about the bars and the bats. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I like to tell you about my little things. There's so many little things on the wall. They're running after each other. Oh no, like the big elephant over here and the shoe with the cloud hanging over the head. And oh my God, no, don't come and get me. And the microscope over here. Let me just put this down here. I want to show you this. Doesn't this look like a head? There's a head and an arm over here, and this is a guy, and she's kissing his head, and her arm is down here with the tail, and then there's an animal in between.